Hello everyone. So in this lecture we'll see one more problem based on Euler's method. Okay guys, so let us begin with yes, one more problem based on Euler's method. So write down second question. Using Euler's method, yes, find the approximate value of y corresponding to x equals to 1. Also, it is given that dy by dx is equals to x plus y, and one initial condition is also given, that is y0 equals to 1. So we'll see yes what is given. So we can see here, yes, given data is what we can say, that yes, f of x comma y, that is given as, that is x plus y. Yes, this value is x naught, so we can see x naught value is equals to 0 and y naught value is equals to 1. So at x equals to x naught value is what? 0. Yes, y value is what? Y 1. So we can say that y naught equals to 1, isn't it? Similarly, yes, whatever given the value of x in the question statement, that will be the xn. So we can see xn is given to you, that is 1, isn't it? So here also number of intervals are not given to you. Mostly that will be given in the question statement, whether it is 5, 10 or anything else, isn't it? So doesn't matter. So let's say in this question that is not given. So we'll consider, let's say n value equals to 10. So n value equals to 10 means number of intervals equals to 10. Number of intervals, let us assume number of intervals are 10. So if number of intervals are, yes, so we can say that assumed, then we can find out the value of h. H is what? Size of interval. And the formula for h is what? Xn minus x naught divided by n. So xn is what? Xn is 1 and x naught is 0. So 1 minus 0, that is divided by 10. So this is comes out to be 0 0.1, isn't it? So h means what? Size of interval. Size of interval. So I hope this one is clear to everyone. So we'll see, yes, now we'll apply the yes Euler's method, and you know what is the Euler's formula? In the Euler's method, yes, the formula is what? We can say that that is, yes, y n equals to yn minus 1 plus h into f of xn minus 1 comma yn minus 1, isn't it? Okay, so we'll see one by one. Yes, also we can construct or we can make one table also, because number of intervals are 10. So there will be a proper track of all these values, isn't it? So yes, I'm going to make one table. You can also make, let's say that is column header, that is x. Next column header is y. The next one is, let's say, dy by dx, that is given to you x plus y. And next one we can say that old y plus h value is what? That is 0 0.1, isn't it? Into dy by dx, we can say that equals to new y, isn't it? So here 4 column headers are there. So that means in this particular table 4 columns will be there, isn't it? I will see one by one, isn't it? What will be the values, isn't it? So here also we can say that here you only tell me. Yes, let's say here, yes, initial value of x is 0, that is 0 0.0. Then yes, that is x naught. Then x1 will be what? X naught plus h. So h value is 0 0.1. So 0 plus 0 0.1, that is 0 0.1. The next value x2 will be what? That is x1 plus h, and x1 is what? That is 0 0.1 plus again 0 0.1, that is 0 0.2. Then similarly x3 will be 0 0.3 and so on, isn't it? So up to x10 we will be calculating the values of all x's, isn't it? I hope this one is clear to everyone. So yes, first one value will take, that is x value is 0.0. And what is y? Yes, that is also given to you. Y naught. Y naught is what? That is 1.00. That means 1 only. Then what will be the x plus y? Yes, so we can say that 0 plus 1, that is 1.00, isn't it? I am considering, yes, up to 2 decimal places, isn't it? Now what is the old value of y? That is, we can say that this one, that is 1.00. So that is 1.00 plus h value is 0.1 into dy by dx is what? That is x plus y. Dy by dx is what? That is f of x comma y, nothing else. That is given in the question, that is x plus y. Okay. Then the value of dy by dx is x plus y. So x plus y means we can say that that is 1. Okay, so this is going to be, after a simplification, it comes out to be 1.10, isn't it? Now this 1.10 is the new value of y, means that is, we can say that that is the y1. Initial value was the y0, now this is y1. In the next iteration we will be using this y1, then we'll see what is y2 and so on, isn't it? So next x value, that is x1 is what? 0.1. So at 0.1, what will be the y? Yes, you only tell me. Yes, this new value will be considered as y1. That is, we just calculated, that is 1.10, isn't it? So yes, add x and y. So we can say that x1 plus y1, that will be 0.1 plus 1.1. So it is going to be 1.20. Yes, add these two values, nothing else, isn't it? Okay. Now old y is what? We can say that old y is what? 0.10, isn't it? Okay. Next, plus h value is 0.1 into, yes, this x plus y, that is 1.2. So this is going to be 1.22, isn't it? Okay. Next one, x1, then x2 value is 0.2. And the y value will be what? We just calculated, that is 1.22. So x plus y will be what? That is 1.42. Just add these two values, that is x2 and y2, isn't it? Now, what is the old value of y? So we can say that old value of y is what? That is 1.22 plus, that is 0.1 into dy by dx, that is 1.42. So after simplification, this is going to be 1.36. Similarly, next x value will be 0.3 and y value we just calculated, that is 1.36. So add these two values, so it is going to be 1.66. So that is old y. Old y is what? 1.36 plus 0.1 into dy by dx, that is 1.66. So this is going to be 1.53, isn't it? So next value is what? That is 0.4 and y value we just calculated, that is 1.53. So add these two x and y, so we can say that this is going to be 1.93. So old value of y is what? That is 1.53 plus 0.1 into 1.93. So that is going to be 1.72, isn't it? So this procedure will continue. Next one, yes, x value is 0.5 and y we just calculated, that is 1.72. So x plus y will be what? That is 2.22, isn't it? So this is old value is 1.72, we just calculated, means previous value of y, because in the y1 y naught is used in the Euler's method. In y2 y1 will be used the just previous value of y, that is known as old value, nothing else. So h value is what? 0.1 into, again this dy by dx is what? 2.22, isn't it? So this is going to be, I think, 1.94. Next x value will be 0.6 and y value we just calculated, that is 1.94. Add both these, so after addition this is going to be 2.54. So this old value of y, that is 1.94 plus 0.1 into 2.54. So this is going to be 2.19, isn't it? Okay. Next value, yes, 2.89. 2.89. Next value of x is 0.7 and y value we just calculated, that is 2.89. Or sorry, this is 2.19, isn't it? That is 2.19. 2.19. So here also we can see this value will be what, 2.19, and after we can say that adding x and y, this is going to be 2.89. Old value is what, 2.19 plus 0.1 into 2.89, so this is going to be 2.48. Next value of x will be 0.8, and y we just calculated 2.48, and after addition x plus y, this is 3.28. So this is going to be 2.48 plus 0.1 into 3.28, so that is going to be 2.81, isn't it? 2.81. Next value is what, that is 0.9. So we can say that y value is what, we just calculated 2.81, and x plus y will be what, that is 3.71. And so the final value 2.81 plus 0.1 into, yes, 3.71, that is going to be 3.18, isn't it? So we can say that at x value 0.1, y is what, we can say that that is 3.18, isn't it? So yes, that is the last value we calculated. So finally we can say that value of, or approximate value of y is what, 3.1, isn't it? Okay, I hope this one is clear to everyone. Our aim is to find out the y10, and this is what, y10, isn't it? So y10 is using, we can say that y9 and all, isn't it? Okay, so we, in this manner, yes, we can proceed, isn't it? If a number of intervals are 10, so we can go for x10, isn't it, and y10. Similarly, if number of intervals are 5, so we can find the value of y5, isn't it? If number of intervals are 15, then our aim is to find out the y15, isn't it? And you know how to find y in the Euler's method, isn't it? I hope this one is clear to everyone. So we can say that the final answer is what, 3.18. I hope this one is clear to everyone, isn't it? Okay, guys. So in the next lecture, we'll see modified Euler's method and problems based on the modified Euler's method, isn't it? Okay. So that's all about this lecture, guys. Thank you so much.